My father, like many of us, had a wood shop in the garage, and we would spend evenings and weekends, Saturday and Sunday, making things that we just needed around the house. That's how I spent most of my childhood, following him around the garage, walking in sawdust, cleaning up after him, and slowly but surely I was able to use more and more of the tools.
I grew up in a household that today would be called doers and makers. My dad was a millwright, trained to fix everything, and I got trained right along with him. Anything that broke in the house, I was right by his side fixing it with him. My mom was very much a business-minded person, and she always had a knack for anything that she touched, she would improve it. She would walk into a room and make changes, and they were beautiful.
So as I was getting better making picture frames and things for Michelle for the kids, I wanted to make sure they were square. And when I dropped my expensive square, I just was devastated. I asked Michelle to make me a leather apron so I can put it away and keep it safe so I wasn't handling as much.
So, got my head thinking, of course I want to build something. I want to make something. This is my contribution, you know. And
we sat down and said, where would I like to have my tape measure or my pencils? It was a chance for us to custom build an apron for me. I made a YouTube video doing a simple procedure in the shop, and one of the comments was, where did you get that leather apron? And I said, my wife made it for me. And he asked if we sold them, and I asked Michelle, do we make leather aprons? And she said, yes, we do.
We're going to create an apron for you that's going to last longer than a lifetime.
We started off with the best full grain leather we could get. Stainless steel hardware, hand peen, solid copper rivets, and all the stress points of the pockets and the gussets. Polyester thread for its strength and durability with a 5-stitch per inch count.
I hand pick all of the hides that we use. I hand cut every single pocket and every single body. Your apron is not going to be like anyone else's. It's going to be designed to fit your body and to hold your tools and to make your life easier. After you order, we're going to send out an apron template to you with the directions on what to do next and some leather samples. In those directions, it's going to let you know how to get a hold of us for the live video session. And during that live video fitting session, we are going to walk you through the entire process. We're going to guide you through placing your core set of tools right on your body where you're going to use them the most. We're going to walk you through all of the measurements and all of the designing. You can even watch the build of your apron happen on social media, and that way you know that it's really happening and the things that you designed are coming to life right in front of your eyes.
So the right tool for the job, you need to have the right tools, and having them on you, or the core tools as we call them, is just ideal. I don't have to walk around my shop, look for my tape measure or my pencils or my squares. They're on me. It makes you more productive than looking for them. I'm actually working in a shop. We set out to make more than just your leather custom apron. We set out to make the most used tool in your shop.